There's a simple and natural way to stop snoring that hardly anyone knows about. You should definitely try this. Are you on the edge of sleep deprivation due to snoring issue of your partner? Some people snore when they catch a cold or are really tired. But in some cases, snoring becomes every night sequence. In such situation, it is just difficult to sleep beside a person who is snoring all night. One of the prime reasons behind snoring is too much consumption of alcohol and excessive phlegm in the nose or throat, constricted airways or misshapen nasal walls. Due to any of this reason, your partner might be snoring all night. The medication and therapy available to get rid of snoring are expensive and not affordable to all of us. Yet, we are here to share the good news. An effective natural remedy can help you to get rid of snoring without any side effect. The ingredients required for this remedy are affordable and generally available in our kitchen cabinet. This is also known as anti-snore juice, which is delicious and you will want to have it all the time. Here is a detailed recipe of anti-snore juice for you. Things you need: 1. Lemon juice 1 tablespoon, 2. Carrots 2, 3. Ginger root 1, 4. Apples 2. Process: 1. Take 2 carrots and apples and cut it into small pieces. 2. Wash the ginger root properly and cut it not small thin slices. 3. Add all these pieces in a blender and blend it properly. 4. Add lemon juice to the smoothie and your anti-snore juice is ready. 5. Consume this juice at least 2 hours before your bedtime every night. The adequacy of this common juice is in the properties of its ingredients. The high vitamin C content in the lemon juice diminishes the nasal liquids and rinses the nostrils, while the carrots and the apples clear the nose and advance a sound rest. Additionally, ginger alleviates the overabundance, weight and torment in the nostril. The juice provides quick relief from snoring issues and also promotes good night's sleep. You will wake up next day morning while feeling fresh and energetic. If you are suffering